Hey, it's Honey. Today, we're going on an after-site detour for Papa's Day at Weird Papa's SMC Side Cebu. We just finished our site visit and we're craving something sweet and a bit of coffee. So, we stopped by SMC Side to check out Weird Papa's Day promo. So, na pa ko nag-crave jud og cream pops and finally, nakatime na jud may mo hapit. And grabbed the Spanish latte at Pickup Coffee. They have a 188 pesos promo for 3 cream pops. So definitely something we didn't want to miss. We ordered 2 sets of the 188 promo. That's 6 cream pops total. Di ko kaget over sa cream pops, guys. Super lamig jud siya for me. I love how creamy the filling is and how soft the puff is. It's like eating cold clouds, I swear. And that's all for today. Got our goods secured, our hearts and stomachs full. Bye!